Today we're going to talk about mean absolute deviation. Basically, it's just seeing how close a set of numbers are. So we're going to hop into the notes. So one of the ways we can describe the variability of a data set or number set is through the mean of absolute deviation. Now, to know how to do this, first off, you need to be able to figure out the mean. The mean is when you take an average of a set of numbers. So you're going to need to know that. So basically what you're doing is you're finding an average of kind of the average. So it's basically telling how grouped together are a set of numbers. So you can find the mean of absolute deviation through just a few steps that we're going to go through below. And here they are. The steps will be on the right-hand side. First step is you need to find the mean of a set of numbers. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to see how far away each data point is away from the mean that you found. And then the third thing, this is why I call it kind of the mean of the mean. The third thing you're going to do is you're going to find the average of that set of numbers. And what I'm going to give you is going to be a set of numbers that we're going to find the mean of, and then we're going to try to figure out the mean absolute deviation of that set of numbers. So here's our example numbers. We have 20, 19, 15, 23, 14. What else do I want to use? 17 will work, and 18. So the first thing we need to do is find the mean of that set of numbers. And the way to do that is I need to add them all together. So 20 plus 19 plus 15 plus 23 plus 14 plus 17 plus 18. I'm going to have to add all those numbers together, which is going to take me a little bit, and I'm going to kind of work it out. Add up my ones place. 0 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 is... Hold on, give me a second. I'm thinking. Wait for it. Hold on. 0 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 is 36. Sorry about that. Now I'm going to add up my tens place. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's 126. And I'm going to divide it by 7 because that's how many numbers I had. So I'm going to take 126 divided by 7, and that'll be 18. And that's going to be my mean. So I found the first part. Now the second part I need to do, once I kind of erase all this information, I'm going to rewrite the numbers, and I'm going to see how far away they are from that number 18. Now, I'm not really adding or subtracting. I'm just seeing how far away, like how many steps would it take to get there. So if I'm at the number 20, the distance away from my mean, which is 18, is 2 steps. From 19 is 1 step. From 15 is 3 steps. From 23 is 5 steps. From 14 is 4 steps. From 17 is 1 step. And 18 is 0 steps. And now step 3 is I got to find the average of all those numbers. I'm going to add them all up, see what I get. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 is, hold on, I should know this. Give me a second, 16. Now I'm going to divide that by 7 numbers because that's how many data points I had. So 16 divided by 7 is 2.7 going to 20 2 times, which is 14. I subtract it, get a 4, 0. It can go in there 5 times, and I'm just going to stop there. Let's just say the mean average deviation is 2.25. So basically what you're doing is you're finding the average of a set of numbers, seeing how far away it is from the average, and then you're finding the average kind of again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do another set of problems, same steps, different set of numbers, and we're just going to work through them again. If you have the notes, you might need to look at those past 2 problems pretty carefully. So let's say we have 3, 5, 8, 10, 4, and 6. First thing to do is I'm going to find the mean of all those numbers by adding them all up. 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 4 plus 6. I'll try to work this out a little bit quicker. If I add up all those numbers, add up the ones place first, 3 plus 5 plus 8, I get 36. I'm divide that by the number 6 because that's how many data points I have, and that's going to be the mean of my set of numbers. So now I'm going to see how far away each data point is, the 3, the 5, the 8, the 10, the 4, and the 6, is away from the number 6. So the 3 is 3 steps away. The 5 is 1 step away. The 8 is 2 steps away. The 10 is 4 steps away. The 4 is 2 steps away. And the 6 is perfectly on there. It's 0 steps away. And I'm going to find the average of those blue numbers. I'm going to add them all up because we saw the distance away that each one of them were. I'm going to add up all the numbers. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. So if I add up all my numbers, it is going to be 12. And I'm going to divide that number by 6 because there were 6 data points. I'm sorry I got cut off. And that means the mean average deviation is 2, which means that all the numbers, if I took the average of that average, it is going to be 2. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. If you haven't, like, follow, all that kind of good stuff. But that is how you work out mean absolute deviation.